In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Freshsales to Hubspot. This process is straightforward and should take no longer than 5 minutes, so let's dive in. To start, fire up your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your Freshsales API and domain handy, as we'll be needing those shortly. Once you've logged into Hubspot, head over to the Connected Apps section. From there, you'll want to click on the option labeled Go to App Marketplace. This is where you can find all kinds of integrations to enhance your CRM experience. Now, look for the Freshsales app within the marketplace. Once you find it, click on the Install button to initiate the integration process. At this point, you'll be prompted to paste your Freshsales subdomain and API key into the designated fields. This is crucial for establishing a secure connection between the two platforms. You might also come across a login prompt or an OAuth process to authorize the connection securely. Just follow the on-screen steps to complete this authorization. Once you've successfully connected Freshsales to Hubspot, you'll need to map the fields. Mapping ensures that information like names, email addresses, and companies transfers correctly between Freshsales and Hubspot. You'll see a list of fields from Freshsales, and all you need to do is match them with the corresponding fields in Hubspot. This step ensures data consistency and accuracy when transferring information between the two systems. Next, you'll set the direction of the sync. This could either be unidirectional, where data flows from Freshsales to Hubspot or vice versa, or bidirectional, where data flows both ways. Additionally, determine the frequency of the sync based on your business needs. You could opt for a real-time sync for instant updates or a scheduled sync that occurs at regular intervals, like daily or weekly. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review all the configurations you've made. Once you're satisfied that everything is set up correctly, the final step is to click on Save and Sync. This will apply your settings and start the syncing process between Freshsales and Hubspot. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully connected Freshsales to Hubspot. This integration will enhance your workflow by effortlessly keeping information up to date across both platforms, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: nurturing and growing your business relationships. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.